Hello students, let us go through one more sum based on graph. The sum is solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. The question is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. Simple, right? We know the denominator solving also now, so these sums would be really simple. The first is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Let us shift the coefficient with the bigger variable to the other side, and that's clearly 3y here. And we get 2x is equal to 4 plus 3y. So we get x is equal to 4 plus 3y upon 2. Luckily for us, the denominator is 2. So you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, or you can take 0, 2, 4, minus 2 as the assumption of the variable which is there in the right hand side, which is y here, right? Let's now draw the table x, y, x comma y. Let us assume any 4 values of the variable y. Let us start with 0. Let's see what happens when y is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 4 plus 3 into 0 upon 2. That's 4 plus 0 upon 2. That's 4 upon 2, which is 2. So when y is 0, x is 2. The point is 2 comma 0. Then 0, 2, because the denominator is 2. When y is equal to 2, you get x is equal to 4 plus 6 upon 2, that's 10 upon 2, which is 5. So you get a very valid point, that is 5 comma 2. When y is 4, 0 to 4, right, you get x is equal to 4 plus 12 upon 2, that's 16 upon 2, which is 8. And then you take it as minus 2, as we have discussed, 0 to 4 and minus 2 when the denominator is 2. See the calculations, x is equal to 4 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 2, that's 4, minus 6 upon 2, that's minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1. So the point is minus 1 comma minus 2. We get the 4 points. Now let's move on to the second equation, which is 3y minus x is equal to 4. We need to shift 3y to the other side, but then here there is minus x, right? So what would be the better arrangement? Minus x on this side and 4 to the other side, right? Something which we have done previously. So we get 3y minus 4 is equal to x. So x is equal to 3y minus 4, right? Now let's draw the table x, y, x comma y. Because y is in the right hand side, let us assume 4 values of y, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. When y is equal to 0, let's see the calculation. X is equal to 3 into 0 minus 4. That's x is equal to 0 minus 4. That's x is equal to minus 4. So when y is 0, x is minus 4. The point is minus 4 comma 0. Now when y is equal to 1, let's see the calculation. You get x is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4. That's 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So when y is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. The point is minus 1 comma minus 1. When y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 into 2 minus 4, that's 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So when y is 2, x is 2, the point is 2 comma 2. And when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 into 3 minus 4, that's 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So the point is 5 comma 3. Now the graph, lines, axis, origin, scale, the question number, don't forget. Let's start plotting the points. The first point is 2 comma 0. Because the y coordinate is 0, the point will be on the x axis at the point 2. That's 2 comma 0 as shown. 5 comma 2 in the first quadrant. 8 comma 4 in the first quadrant. Minus 1 comma minus 2 in the third quadrant, right? You get all the 4 points are collinear. Join them. Don't forget to write the equation on it. Let's move on to the second table now. Minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 comma 0. Again the y coordinate is 0. The point will be on the x axis at minus 4. Minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1 in the second quadrant. 2 comma 2 in the first quadrant. And 5 comma 3 again in the first quadrant. You all can see all the 4 points are collinear. Join them. Don't forget to write the equation on it. Look at the point of intersection. The point of intersection is very clearly 8 comma 4, and because the point of intersection is 8 comma 4, on the main answer sheet below the table, just write the final answer that the solution is x comma y, which is equal to 8 comma 4. As simple as that.